What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ, Helbiz, Helbiz. I That's how you pronounce the name, but either way, 6.60% up today. Let's just actually see what was the case with HLBE, HLBZ actually. Okay, so right now, the start on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, I had this little range that we got. We definitely kind of broke through it, so that like doesn't seem so bullish right now. The prediction was wrong. No, we never held that, so that's fine. It's absolutely fine. Now we're aiming for this level, excuse me. But now, do you know what you can do? Do that on the other hand. So this is pretty tricky. But after we shift the barrier right here, I'm actually going to look for this to deliver lower to this desired low at right around 138, 137. So yeah, that's it. If we ever actually come and we have that huge downside move rally, I would be expecting it to maybe reach like these points right here. I'm talking about the areas from around 67 cents to 53 cents. And do you know what's crazy? The thing about that, we can still be bullish from them, even from them areas, even. So that's actually pretty insane. Just keep in mind on the higher time frame, are we actually in a bearish trend? We actually are. So yeah, we might have never just stopped into here. And from what I'm seeing from the price action, there is even a chance that we can reach this 45 cents, this 44% low. We're gonna see. Let's not make this pretty intriguing for the people who are investing into it. Again, not financial advice. Have a wonderful day and goodbye, and stay tuned. Like the goddamn video.